Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Vania Khalisya. I'm from SMP N2 Banguntapan. Before we could start, I want to ask you a question. Have you guys ever wondered of how to make birch pin from used bottle caps? Because today I want to show you guys how to make it just like this and like this. Are you guys curious of how to make it? Let's get to the point then. The materials that we need are jute rope, bottle caps, mini strings, birch pin, beads, flannel cloth, cardboard, and the materials are scissors and glue. So the first step is got to stick the cardboard in both sides of we got to stick the flannel fabric into both sides of cardboard. This and stick our bottle caps on the top of this. Like this. Next, we got to roll up our jute rope and glue it on top of the bottle caps. And repeat the same things until the end of the cardboard. Like this, and cut it. After that, we got to decorate it with mini strings and beads. Just as this. Lastly, glue your birch pin on the bottom of this, like this. Birch is done. This birch can be very useful for an accessory in our veil or our cloth. Like this. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.